Now let us continue our discussion with the term what do you mean by money? In India we have a misconception saying that money means only cash. But according to the definition of GST, it says money means not only cash, okay, not only Indian currency but also foreign currency. So if there is a foreign currency, even this is money. So it does not even restrict saying that it is Indian currency, foreign currency. The list goes on. It says money includes DD, money includes DD, money includes check, bills of exchange, travelers check. So this list goes on continuing. So do you really have to remember the entire list? No. Just those are the examples, but only one important thing what you need to remember in the definition of money is they say money includes these various forms, but it does not include any currency held for its numismatic value. So it does not include any currency which is held for its numismatic value. So what is this a currency held for its numismatic value means? Say this is the 10 rupees before India got independence. The Reserve Bank of India issued this 10 rupees. Now tell me, the face value of this note is 10 rupees, right? The face value is 10 rupees. But whether the actual value of this note is 10 rupees, if I have to purchase this note today, I need to pay in thousands. So I need to pay 10,000 rupees to get this 10 rupees note. So if I am holding this note, I am not holding it as 10 rupees, I am holding it for its numismatic value, that is 10,000 rupees, right? So if there is any currency which is held for its numismatic value, then it is not money. So in a nutshell, money means Indian currency, foreign currency and various other examples, but it does not include any currency which is held for its numismatic value. Numismatic value means the old coins, the antique coins. So if I am holding a currency for its numismatic value, then it is not money. So now we discussed that any currency held for its numismatic value is not money. So what it is? If it is not money and it is movable, it becomes goods. So in short, a currency held for its numismatic value is goods and not money.